There is no more symbolic way of integration than exchange of blood.
I always wanted to donate, but there were some excuses, and then I have different things on my mind. And actually, thanks to that campaign, we were, as a Forum Polonia, invited to participate in that campaign. And I said, look, if you are joining the campaign, I need to donate, and that's about the time to do it. I'm a little bit nervous, right, because that's my first time. I'm drinking water to ensure that I won't faint. But no, I was insured by others who actually donated the blood previously. That's not a big deal in terms of donating, but of course big deal of helping others. Now we are here now in Ireland for the last number of years, and we contributed into the Irish society in many ways, and that's another way of showing that contribution, that we are donating the blood to others, to our neighbors, to our friends.
I got this idea from a friend of mine. She's a Polish woman living in Edinburgh, Joanna Zawadzka, and she started similar campaign a couple of years ago where the whole discussion around Brexit started. So she was at the receiving end of a lot of negative comments, and Bloody Foreigners was one of them. For us, it's about reclaiming the title. It's about taking back these negative connotations from this title and turning that into something positive. In the end of the day, it's about showing that Polish people are part of this community. This is our home, this is where we live, where we raise our children, and we want to give something back because we're receiving a lot from this community, so we want to give something back. I donated 10 times already. This is my 10th anniversary pin that I got last time, and this will be my 11th donation here in Ireland. But I've been a blood donor since I turned 18, so I've donated 10 times back in Poland and now 11 times in Ireland.
I've already donated 2 times, and that'll be my 3rd time donating blood today. Well, I was kind of influenced by my dad because he was a regular donor when he was living in Poland and he was in the army, so I always knew that he was an active donor. And when I started working in IBTS and I realized how the blood is being processed and how much we use it, I just thought it's the next logical step to do, and I become a donor. And it's not that hard. The people are really friendly here, so it's a really pleasant experience, although the needles are involved.
I will encourage all of the people, not only Poles, not only Irish, to donate blood, but all of the migrants who are here in Ireland to go and donate the blood, because there is a need for blood in Ireland, and we can help.